Hello my friends, ETPC here, doing an unboxing on the Impress electric fan heater. So it is summertime, and wouldn't you know it, I could not find a heater anywhere. Not one to be found at Walmart or anywhere else, because it's summertime, so they had lots of fans but no heaters. We needed a heater. So I found this at a local discount store, grocery outlet. It's got, it was $10, so let's open it up and see what's inside, shall we? Okay, on the top we have the Impress instruction manual. Nothing else in the box. And let go. Okay, so first impression. Looks like the heating element is a kind of a coil. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a coil, basically just a coil that heats up there, and apparently it has a fan. So some heaters don't have a lot of air output. This one looks like it might. Okay, it has a little rubber grips on the bottom, so it won't move around. Also, this little safety feature, I believe, so if it gets knocked over, say you have the heater on and it gets knocked over onto the, on your carpet or something like that, that's going to disengage and turn it off so your carpet doesn't catch on fire, so that's kind of cool. And that is that. Thanks for watching the unboxing here. We'll go on to the review shortly. Hey friends, so we are back with the Impress electric fan heater. So, a little bit more on this. Looks like it's got at least a 6-foot cord on there, so that's kind of good. Let's plug this little guy in here. Okay, so the little switch on the bottom engages. As you can see, the light comes on. Now it has off fan mode. It's actually some pretty good air it's putting out there. And this is also adjustable. Alright, that doesn't appear to adjust how fast the fan is going right now. When it's on fan mode, maybe it's just strictly fan. Okay, so turning to heater right now on the lowest setting. Let's crank it up a little bit here. Oh yeah! Whew. That is toasty. I can feel it out here. Now, I don't know if this is adjusted for temperature or what, if it automatically shuts off. I guess I should read a little bit about that. So, let's see, blah, 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 safeguards. Thermostat is number 1. Okay, so this is a thermostat, and I guess it's going to, after the room reaches a certain temperature, it's going to shut off. And I'm telling you right now, this thing is putting out a lot of heat. Sometimes you get those little heaters, and they got those very small ones, and they put out heat, I guess radiant heat, but they don't really have a fan to kind of get the heat out there. So unless you're right next to it, they don't really seem to work that well. This one right here, it's almost like sitting in front of a hairdryer. I mean, it has a slight smell to it, and I'm thinking that's because it's brand new. But other than that, the heat output, I mean, I'm just sitting here for just a second. I'm already wanting to take the shirt off here because it's a little hot. So, so far, let's see if the tip over feature works here. So it's coming on, it tips forward, it's gonna shut off, that works good. I'm pretty impressed for finding this little guy for 10 bucks. No wonder it's called Impress. So it is fairly impressive. So it puts out a lot of heat, the airflow is decent, it really projects the heat out there. So I'm gonna give, as far as for the price of this little thing and first impressions, man, I'm gonna give it like probably 8 out of 10 stars, you know. So far so good. So thanks for watching this review. This little thing is so far well worth the $10 I paid to purchase it. So hopefully we'll be using it for many years to come. Thanks for watching this review on the Impress fan heater.